How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter in a 2017 F-150. So to start, open up your glove box and release the two tabs on the side. You can just pull inward on the glove box and they should come out. Then you're going to want to remove this little plastic piece. This may be different on lower trim models. I'm working with the King Ranch here, so I'm going to have to remove this trim panel. I'm using a trim panel removal tool, and that will expose two bolts behind it. These are going to be 7mm bolts. So use either a socket or a power tool to get it removed. And then from here, you'll just want to pull this whole plastic trim piece towards you. Be careful not to break any clips. And there is a wiring harness on the left side, so make sure you don't just yank it out. You'll want to slowly pull it out and unhook that wiring harness right there. And then once you've got that out of the way, you're able to access your cabin air filter. It's going to have two clips on each side. You want to just pop those out. And it's got two small hooks on the bottom. Just make sure you pull those out in the correct orientation. And then you can remove your cabin air filter. From here, you can replace it. If you have a cleanable air filter, you can clean it. And then to reinstall it, you just reverse the removal steps, and then you'll be all good to go.